beneath the waves, in a kingdom painted with 1,000 colors, lived a dolphin named Finn. His sleek, silver-gray skin glinted in the sun-dappled water, a familiar sight to the vibrant community of the coral reef. Finn wasn't just any dolphin. He was their guardian, his days spent in joyful duty. He'd race with the currents, his streamlined body a silver blur, or playfully herd the tiny bright orange clownfish, their laughter like tiny bubbles rising to the surface. He was the protector of their home and the keeper of its treasures, the glowing pearls that nestled deep within the giant clams, illuminating the reef with an ethereal light. Finn's life was one of harmony, a perfect balance of play and protection, a dance with the ocean he so loved. But a shadow was creeping over this peaceful paradise. A great white shark, known only as Scar, saw the reef not as a home, but as a territory to be conquered. His massive, slate-gray form was a terrifying silhouette against the deep blue. A jagged scar across his snout told tales of countless battles, and his cold, black eyes held only a relentless hunger. He prowled the edges of the coral kingdom, his presence a chilling promise of destruction. Scar believed might made right, and he craved the pearls, not for their beauty, but for the power they represented. His greedy ambition was a storm brewing on the horizon, threatening to shatter the tranquility of Finn's world. The attack came without warning. Scar surged into the heart of the reef, scattering the terrified schools of fish. But Finn was ready. He didn't meet brute force with brute force. Instead, he used his greatest weapon, his mind. He lured the massive shark into a labyrinth of narrow, winding caves, a place where Scar's size became a disadvantage. As the shark thrashed, trapped and enraged, Finn zipped through hidden passages, his knowledge of the reef his ultimate advantage. In a brilliant final move, Finn dislodged a cluster of glowing pearls, which cascaded down, their blinding light disorienting the great white. Confused and outmaneuvered, Scar had no choice but to retreat into the dark abyss. Peace was restored, not through violence, but through courage, intelligence, and a deep love for one's home. Finn, the brave guardian, proved that the sharpest weapon isn't a tooth, but a clever mind and a heart full of bravery. Thank you for watching this incredible underwater saga. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss another adventure. See you next time.